I'm Emmanuel and welcome to my workbench. And today I have a mail call of something that I purchased. So let's see what I got this week. All right, here it is. It is a $100 bill. This $100 bill was the one that was circulating when I was growing up. This is what I'm familiar with, though I rarely had one of these in my hands. And what is special about this bill is the third letter. Look at that. That's an X, which means this was a $100 replacement note. Canada did have replacement notes with X's at one point. No longer. But here we go. This is, I believe it's Sir Robert Borden. And he was a former Prime Minister of Canada. And the note is mostly brown. There are reds and yellows over here on the side with a full colored coat of arms. This is from the 1975 series. And the back shows scenes from a fishing village. I am really happy to add this to my collection. And yeah, so join me again for other mail calls and more videos. I always appreciate a thumbs up on these videos. And if you haven't already, click on my logo over here to subscribe. Here is a video that might be of interest to you, as well as a playlist of other mail calls. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.